How to apply for a personal loan through Credit Karma. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log in using a registered email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, click on the Personal Loans tab from the top menu. Under this section, click on Personal Loans. Credit Karma will display a list of loan offers that match your credit profile. Now scroll through the options and compare key details like the interest rate, monthly payment, loan term, and approval odds. You can click See My Approval Odds to view your personalized chances. Once you find a loan offer you like, click on Continue or Apply Now next to that offer. You will then be redirected to the lender's official site to complete the application. Fill out any required personal and financial details to finalize your request. Remember, Credit Karma allows you to check for pre-qualified offers without affecting your credit score. Now you know how to apply for a personal loan through Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.